Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This would be 4,60,000 rupees build with dual 2080 Ti and along with 9900K. Yes, this build is very interesting. The price is 4,60,000 rupees. Let me take you through all the component and their pricing, what all component I'm going to use in this build. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below. You can go ahead and check the live price. The price which I'm gonna share in this video will be today's price, so do consider to check the link in the description box below. So let's begin with the component detail and their pricing. For processor, we have got Intel i9-9900K. This is available for 38,900 rupees. For motherboard, we have got Asus ROG Maximus 11. This is extreme version and this comes with Wi-Fi, available for 38,000 rupees. For RAM, we have got G-Skill Trident Z Royale. This is 16GB kit and we're gonna use 2 kit 3200 MHz. The total price is 28,000 rupees for RAM, so total 32 gigs of memory. For storage, we have got Samsung 970 Evo Plus. This is NVMe SSD 1TB for 19,500 rupees. And for the graphic card, we have got two 2080 Ti from Asus. This is ROG Strix 2080 Ti 11GB each, and the price is 1,24,000 rupees each. So the total price for both the graphic card is 2,48,000 rupees. For the cabinet, we have got Cooler Master C700M. This is available for 38,000 rupees. For power supply, we have got Corsair AX1200i. This is platinum power supply for 24,000 rupees. For cooler, we're gonna use NZXT Kraken X72. This is available for 19,500. This is one of my favorite cooler, and if in case you want to overclock, just go ahead with this one. And also we will be replacing the stock fan of NZXT cooler with this Thermaltake ring trio, and this is available for 9,000 rupees. Alright, so we're done with the PC build and this is looking absolutely gorgeous. As you can see here, there is one problem here. NVLink was not available with me, so there is a small cable which connects both the GPU together, so DSL I think could not happen. So what I'll do, I'll get the NVLink and we will do the benchmark. So you'll be getting 2 videos. Another video would be coming soon after uploading this with the benchmark and other stuff. 4,60,000 is a lot of money, and this is what we have for 4,60,000. I hope you have liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye. Do subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.